Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup .env secrets safely in Git, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your .env secrets safely in Git, start by ensuring that your .env file is not tracked by Git. Create a .gitignore file in your project's root directory if you don't have one. Add the line .env to the .gitignore file. This will prevent Git from accidentally tracking your sensitive data. Next, create a secure backup location. Consider using a secure cloud storage service or an encrypted USB drive. Copy your .env file to that backup location. Now, create a template for your .env file to share with your team. Start by renaming your current .env file to .env.example. Remove any sensitive values and replace them with placeholders. This way, others can see the expected keys without revealing your secrets. Next, commit your .env.example file to your Git repository. This allows your team to know what environment variables are required. Make sure to communicate to your team about the backup process. Encourage them to keep their own copies of the .env file secured. Finally, regularly update your backups and template as needed. This ensures everyone has the latest configuration without compromising security. By following these steps, you can safeguard your .env secrets while using Git. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.